Okay, we're live now, buddy. Got it on night vision mode right now. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. That was sick. Joe's up.
I gotta get the test.
Alright. Sweet. I'll take this inside and throw it in the computer when we're done. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, dude. Shot pretty far.
It's to the point where you can't see the landing.
That's what makes it scary.
Yeah, it's like,
The ramp's still good.
Yeah, you got sideways more. You had more style. But Joe launched it. That's more than I'm doing.
hence it.
Yeah, dude, that's sick.
There's a huge hole right there.
Give me like 20 seconds, okay? Hang on.